Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you're ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So I'm at the gym right now and I was doing deadlift and I thought I should make this video for all of you. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे conventional deadlift versus sumo deadlift के बारे में. What is the major difference? A lot of people have doubt regarding these movements, so I thought I should make this video for all of you. It is going to be a short, quick, to the point. So please make sure you watch the complete video and also please make sure you share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, okay? So now let's just start with conventional deadlift first. Okay, so I've got the setup ready and मैं आप लोगों को around 8 to 10 reps करके दिखाऊंगा and then I'm going to come back here and explain the movement in detail, okay? So for now, please try and understand the movement and please watch it very carefully, okay? So let's go. I'll do about 8 to 10 reps, that's it, okay? So just watch carefully. Okay, so this was conventional deadlift. यहाँ पे you're going to start with your feet hip width. Your grip is going to be just outside your legs, and you are basically working on your hamstring and your lower back. आपके legs जितने close रहेंगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा effect रहेगा आपके hamstrings पे. Okay, so just give me 1 second. You don't have to really go heavy with this movement. आप light weight से movement को control करके you can perform. So yeah, this was conventional deadlift. Now let's move to sumo deadlift. So now moving on to sumo deadlift, and again I will do about 8 to 10 reps. Please watch it carefully. अगर आप अच्छी तरीके से देखोगे, you will be able to figure out the major difference. The major difference is going to be in your setup. For conventional deadlift, you start with your legs hip width, but for sumo deadlift, you're going to start with your legs wider than shoulder width. Okay, so just watch carefully, all of you. About 8 to 10 reps again. Let's go. Okay, so that was sumo deadlift. Okay, so जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, first major difference is you start with your feet little wider compared to conventional deadlift. Second, muscle group. यहाँ पे when you're doing sumo deadlift, you're working on your quads, you're working on your glutes, and obviously you're working on your inner thigh, which is your abductors and adductors, inner thigh muscle पे. So this is the major difference. Also, यहाँ पे you bring your hands a lot closer. वहाँ पे when you're doing conventional deadlift, your grip is outside your legs, but when you're doing sumo deadlift, you bring your hands a lot closer. So this is the major difference between sumo and conventional deadlift. I will just sum it up quickly. Whenever you're doing conventional deadlift, you are going to start with your feet hip width and your grip is going to be just outside your legs. Okay? So the major muscle group when you're doing conventional deadlift is going to be your hamstring and your lower back. Whereas on the other hand, whenever you're doing sumo deadlift, you are going to start with your feet wider than shoulder width. Your grip is going to come close, your hands are going to be little close, and your major muscle group that you're working on becomes your quads, your glutes, and adductors and abductors, inner thigh muscle. Okay, so this is the major difference. Now, which one should you be doing? Look, whichever you're comfortable with. Deadlift is one of the most important and one of the most common weightlifting movements. Okay, so whichever you're comfortable doing. I try and do conventional for as long as I can, and once I feel that the weight is really heavy and मेरा form उल्टा पुल्टा हो रहा है, I try and switch to sumo deadlift. I feel sumo deadlift is a lot safer on your lower back, and also sumo deadlift has less range of motion, so a lot of people prefer doing sumo deadlift. Look, whatever works for you, just try and make sure you try the movement, try conventional, try sumo, try both, and then just let me know in the comment section how do you feel about the movement, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Bye bye all of you.